This is the easiest way to make money with trends. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and profitable way to trade with trends. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, and I have to make a little disclaimer. Before using any tool, online tool, or investing any money, you should have strategies. Before using a strategy, you must backtest it over the time. You must go back in 5, 10, 15 years and see if the strategy is profitable or not. If it's not profitable, then you shouldn't use it. This is the key to be successful in Forex trading or in trading in general. So, as you should know, the easiest way to trade with trends is with continuation patterns. Every time a continuation pattern like triangle, a flag, or a wedge forms during a trend and the price breaks through the trend line, then you can open a position. For this purpose, I'm going to use my favorite online tool, Forex Trendy, the trend scanner. It scans 34 Forex pairs, finding trends, and it's able to recognize 3 patterns: flags, wedges, and triangles. And now I'm going to show you the last good trades I took thanks to Forex Trendy. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. You will find all the time frames for all the trading styles, from the 1 minute to the monthly. We are on the euro and the British pound. We have a rising wedge, a sell signal, break at 88.80. Below the picture you will find Fibonacci targets. So if you are not very comfortable drawing the Fibonacci extensions, then you will find price targets. Okay, there are 5 targets. And I'm going to show you this trade on my TradingView account because I want to tell you 2 very important things you must focus on while trading. So here we are on TradingView, and the first thing you must focus on is the trend momentum and the pattern momentum. If the trend momentum is stronger than the pattern one, then it's a good signal. Okay. When the pattern takes a long time to form and has more than 2-3 touching points, then it's a reliable pattern. Another thing you should focus on is the risk-reward ratio. You shouldn't trade with a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, but you should select ratios above 1:1. In fact, in this case, for example, I got a 3.26. It means that if I invest 100, I gain 326. If I invest 1000, I get 3260. This is a very important thing you must focus on while trading, because on the long run you will be profitable. Okay, if you trade with a low ratio, then you can win 60% of the trades, but you will be in loss. It's math. Okay, this way I can lose more than 50% of my trades, but I will be in profit at the end of the month or the year, because I will gain more than I lose. I will show you other good trades. For example, here on the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen, 4-hour time frame, we have an uptrend, as you can see here from the green arrow. The pattern is a triangle, buy signal, break at 8160. The price reached the 1.618 level, and this was another great trade because the risk reward ratio is around 2. We have a 1.83. So you see how important it is to trade with a high risk reward ratio. I know traders that are using strategies with a 1-to-1 ratio, but they are not in profit. They win like 55-60% of their trades, but they are in loss because they don't gain more than they lose. Let's jump to the 1 hour time frame. We have the US dollar and the Norwegian krone on the 1 hour time frame, and falling wedge by signal break 9.1624. I selected this trade for many reasons. Okay, the first reason is that you must be ready for pullbacks. Okay, many times the price will break through the trend line and then will retest or go back inside the figure. And if you put the stop loss just below the trend line, you will get ejected from the trade. There are many techniques to put the stop loss. Maybe for many traders this was a bad trade because they got ejected, but I put my stop loss just below these lows, and it was a pretty good one. I left a little bit of room because of my strategy, and as you can see here, the risk reward ratio is 3.02. Okay, it means that if I invest $100, I gain 300, and so on. This is very important to I want to tell you these things, okay, because you will not win all the trades. Not all the signals are profitable, and this is why you should use a stop loss. Let's jump to other two trades. I'm not finding them on the completed pattern section because they are always updating their patterns, but I saved a few screenshots. We are on the euro and the Canadian dollar 1 hour time frame. We have flag, sell signal, break at 146.40 on 21 of October the 21 2019. It reached the 1.618 level, okay, but I put my take profit on the second target. Let me see if you reached the third. This is the second target, and we have a risk reward ratio of 3.89, around almost 4. Okay, we see the 144.50. As you can see here, the trade is still on for those guys that are that have put their take profit at the third target. But in case you don't want to lose trading profitable opportunities, then you can set multiple targets. There are traders that use this strategy. You can use all the strategies you want. Because of my strategy on this cross, I put my take profit on the second target. Let me show you a second trade. We are on the Australian dollar and the USD. 1 hour time frame. We have a flag buy signal break at 0.6760. The price reached the third target, 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And this trade was good too, because the risk-reward ratio was around 2.7, and I had a little stop of 39 pips. So you must remember that not all the trades are going into profit, and the key to be successful is trading with an high risk-reward ratio. Another important feature you will find on this website is the trend following section. Okay, now I'm just using the 4 hour time frame, the monthly and the hourly, but if you go here on settings, you can select all the time frames, and I will show you that you can find many interesting opportunities. On the top of the page, you will find the best trending pair or commodity. In this case, we have the gold on the 15-minute time frame with a drawdown of 30%. It's not very small. You should use a drawdown below 20%. Okay, that are not rare. You will often find drawdowns around 15%, 18%, in some cases even below 15%. It's very easy to use. It's an online tool. You don't have to download anything. You can use it with every platform, MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, and so on. In this setting page, you will select the Forex Pairs for trends, time frames. Okay. And for patterns is the same story. Let's suppose you are trading on the smaller time frames, that you have to select the small one and deselect these ones. Okay, and you must decide where receiving the alerts. You can receive them through email or SMS, or directly on your device screen. At the end of the game, you will click here on save, and you will start receiving signals. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, leave a comment below. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you can click on the link below the title in the description section. For today is everything. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Good trading, everybody. Bye bye.